Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. This video is for class 2, subject mathematics. Today's topic is simple division method and I am your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Now children, in today's class we will learn simple division method. Let us understand this with an example. Look at the numbers children. Here you have to divide 12 by 4. Children, it means you have to find out how many times 4 is 12. So children, for this, you will recite the table of 4 until you get 12. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Children, it means 4 times 3 is 12. So children, when you divide 12 by 4, you will get answer as 3. So 3 will be your answer. Now children, let us practice some questions given on page 91 of your maths book. Question 1. Look at the first part. 4 divided by 2 is equal to dash. Children, here you have to find out how many times 2 is 4. So children, for this you will read the table of 2 until you get 4. So 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So children, when you divide 4 by 2, you will get answer as 2. Now next part B. Here the question is 6 divided by 2. Children, now recite the table of 2 until you get 6. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So children, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So 3 will be your answer. Now C part, here you have to divide 3 by 3. So children, recite the table of 3 until you get 3. So 3 1 is 3. So children, when you divide 3 by 3, you will get answer as 1. Now D part, 8 divided by 2. So here recite the table of 2 until you get 8. So 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So children, it means 2 times 4 is 8. So children, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 will be your answer. Now E part, 6 divided by 3. Children, now recite the table of 3 until you get 6. So 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. So here 2 will be your answer. Now F part, 9 divided by 3. So now recite the table of 3 until you get 9. So 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So children, when you divide 9 by 3, you will get answer as 3. Now G part, 12 divided by 3 is equal to dash. So here recite the table of 3 until you get 12. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So children, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 4 will be your answer. Now H part, the question is 21 divided by 3. Children, recite the table of 3 until you get 21. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. So children, 21 divided by 3, you will get answer as 7. Now next part, 4 divided by 4. So children, you will get answer as 1. Now J part, 16 divided by 4. So read the table of 4 until you get 16. So children, 4 4s are 16. So 4 will be your answer. Now K part, 20 divided by 4. You will read the table of 4 until you get 20. So 4 5s are 20. So children, your answer will be 5. Now L part, 28 divided by 4. Here you will recite the table of 4 until you get 28. So children, 4 7s are 28. So here your answer will be 7. Now children, in the same way you will do the next question, question 2. Look at the first part, 10 divided by 2. So children, read the table of 2 until you get 10. So 2 5s are 10. So children, when you divide 10 by 2, you will get answer as 5. Now B part, 20 divided by 2. Again recite the table of 2 until you get 20. So you will get answer as 10. Now C part, 18 divided by 2. Okay, you will recite the table of 2 until you get 18. So children, 2 9s are 18. So you will get answer as 9. Now next part, 18 divided by 3. Children, you will recite the table of 3 until you get 18. So 3 6 are 18. So you will get answer as 6. Now next E part, 15 divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So you will get answer as 5. Now F part, 27 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. So children, when you divide 27 by 3, you will get answer as 9. Now G part, 8 divided by 4. So children, your answer will be 2. Now H part, 24 divided by 4. Children, you will read the table of 4 until you get 24. So 4 6 are 24. So your answer will be 6. Now next part, 32 divided by 4. Your answer will be 8. Now next, 10 divided by 5. You will get answer as 2. 5 2s are 10. Now next part children, 20 divided by 5. So you will read the table of 5 until you get 20. So 5 fours are 20. Your answer will be 4. Now next part, 25 divided by 5. You will get answer as 5. Now children, your homework is do question 3 and 4 in your maths book. Thank you.